and welcome to Hubgrass Meditation. Thank you for joining me today for a 10-minute basic Jack meditation. I know, what a crazy concept. Jack and meditation may seem like totally opposite things, but I promise you, they have a lot to do with each other. So, let me explain. One of the basic meditation techniques is always bringing your mind back to the present moment. They always describe it as watching a sky and seeing the clouds come and go, seeing a road and cars driving across it. You don't latch on to one car and just follow it. You watch all the cars coming and going without judgment, okay? That's one of the things we always hear. Well, me, in my Disney mind, thinks of my brain being all over the place. You know, 1 second I'm thinking of this, 1 second I'm thinking of that, 1 second I'm sending this text message, 1 second I'm seeing this TikTok. Instead of thinking of it as my brain like that, we are gonna think of Jack. Because Jack is all over the place and he's just a little bit of a mess. 1 second he's turning into fire, the next second he is a demon, the next second he is going through different universes, he's looking for Jack cookie num-nums. He's all over the place. So that's what our brains are going to be doing. So every time during this meditation, your brain starts to wander, think of it simply as Jack slowly moving away. And we're just going to bring Jack back, and we're going to set him down, and we're going to have him focus on his breathing. And then, before you know it, he's gone again. He has just poof, disappeared. We're going to try and bring him back again and get him to focus on his breathing. That's just how our brains work. So I hope you enjoy this very different concept of a meditation today. So to get started, we're just going to find a comfortable position. Today I'm sitting on a bolster. You can be sitting on a pillow, something to kind of elevate your seat. You can be sitting in a chair, you can be laying down, whatever makes you most comfortable. Try and find a room where you have very little distractions. Closing your eyes really helps you see inward and kind of what's going on with you. If that doesn't feel comfortable to close your eyes, that's okay. Just look down to the point of your nose, just somewhere you're not going to have a lot of distractions. When it feels comfortable to do so, you can close your eyes. So to get started today, we will just start by taking a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. One more time, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Go ahead and just focus on your normal breathing pattern. Don't try to control it in any way. Roll your shoulders up towards the ears and then down around your back. Feel a little heavier in your seat. Relax those micro movements around the eyes. Unstick your tongue from the roof of your mouth. And focus on that breath. My personal favorite is I am breathing in and I am breathing out. I am breathing in. I am breathing out. I am breathing in. I am breathing out. Just focusing on that breath, focusing on Jack sitting right in front of you. He's focusing on his breath as well. Another great way to focus on your breathing is counting your breaths. Your inhale being 1, exhale being 2. Inhale 3, exhale 4. Inhale 5, exhale 6. Inhale 7, exhale 8. Inhale 9, exhale 10. Starting right back over at 1. Now, if you've started to notice Jack is getting a little restless, he's maybe starting to think about what he's going to do after this meditation, or how quickly he can get some cookies, just go ahead and remind Jack we are just focusing on our breathing. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And if that helps, you can always say that mantra to yourself. I am breathing in. I am breathing out. And again, if you've started to notice that Jack is maybe crawling away, maybe he caught himself on fire, maybe he turned into straight metal, whatever your Jack is doing, gently bring him back, maybe bribe him with some cookies, and remind him to focus on his breath. If you notice that Jack has once again began to wander, gently bring him back, sit him down, and remind him about his breath. Counting those inhales and exhales up to 10, starting again at 1. as we have Jack Jack sitting right in front of us, focusing on his breath, we are going to start to deepen the breath. Inhaling in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, that deep inhale. And exhaling out through the mouth. Again, inhaling. And exhale out through the mouth. Now as we come to the end of this meditation, if it feels right to do so, you can bring your hands to your chest, give yourself a little thank you for spending time with yourself today. When it feels right to do so, you can open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today for our 10-minute Jack Jack meditation. I hope you enjoyed this technique. You can always think about your brain, especially when it's being wild or you can't get it to quiet down. Just simply think of it as Jack Jack. Give him a little cookie num-nums, help him relax, and focus on his breath. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you like these outlandish meditations, and I'll see you real soon.